Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be stuffing Aiden's cash sinking funds binder. Now, if you guys remember, I did have it in this cash envelope binder notebook here, but I just did a little switch. Every now and then, y'all, we need to just switch it up a little bit. So I'm just trying this. So if that doesn't work out, which I'm pretty sure it will, we'll go back to that. All right, so the reason that I do Aiden's cash envelope binder, and this might be helpful for you too also, is because children, they do have a lot of expenses. They are expensive. You gotta love them, but they're expensive. So what I did, I actually took a sheet of paper, and all of the times that the things that would come out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to buy shoes again. Oh my gosh, I have to buy him clothes. He's outgrown his clothes. Okay, so for school, they have to do pictures. For school, they have a fundraiser, and these things would hit me at the wrong time when I had other bills that were coming out. So like I said, I took a sheet of paper, wrote down each thing that came out that was like, oh my goodness. And then that's how I figured out what I needed to do, because you might have something like sports, or you might have outside activities, violin classes, football for your kids, or you know, whatever you need. So that's a good way to kind of figure out, and you can do it for each kid, because sometimes kids have different things that they have to do and you have to buy for them. So this is why I ended up doing this for Aiden's binder. All right, so let's go ahead, and I am going to actually go ahead and open this up, and we're going to actually move this over just a child bit so we can have some room here. All right, and then we're going to actually go ahead and get our cash. Now this cash here is extra cash that I put aside to stuff to his binder. I do want to do a little bit more stuffing for his envelopes, because I'm being honest with you, I haven't been actually really doing it as much as I should, but that's one thing that I want to get into the routine of doing. And y'all, this cash tray here, it is linked in my Amazon storefront. I get a lot of comments, questions, messages about this box. I pretty much just blinged it out, but it's a box that I got from Amazon. All right, so we are going to be counting 200 today. That's how much we're going to be stuffing into Aiden's binder. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. All right, so we got $200. And this here is like I said, it takes time to figure out, because I remember when I first did it, I had a lot of categories. But you can always, and I might add more to it. So like, that's the good thing about your budget and like your cash envelopes. You can always add to it if you need to, and you can always subtract things from it that you don't need. All right, so for Aiden's savings, we are actually going to be adding $100. So we're going to do 4 20s. And let's see if I can just kind of grab these. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Y'all were cracking me up with the comments that I did for my paycheck budget. The PMS, I don't know. That was my abbreviation for paying myself, but that did not come out right. All right, so we got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 410, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now for the money placeholders, I always like to tell you guys, because I know some people are like, what are you doing with this fake money inside of your binders? So this fake money, laminated money, is basically just as it says, is a money placeholder. It's money that I have in here that replaces the real money that we have in his savings account. So that way, like I said, you're not keeping a lot of cash at home. And also, y'all, you can pretty much bling these things out. You know what I'm saying? You can have fun with it. Do what you need to do with it. So that's why I do that. All right, so next we have clothes. So now for Aiden's clothes, we got fall coming around, we got winter coming around, so Aiden is definitely going to need some more fall clothes and winter clothes. But he still has his coat from last year, so which that is a blessing. So I am so happy for that. He got a nice coat, so from his grandma. So we're gonna rock with that for this year. All right, so we're gonna do 120, and then we're gonna do 3 10s. So we're gonna do $50 for his. All right. And then, like I said, you can kind of gauge it and say like, hey, my kids need this much, or you can kind of set a goal for your envelopes and then just reach your goal and decide how much you need to put aside each paycheck to reach that goal. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. Now I am still on that cat and jack because Aiden is still in that clothing category with 5T toddlers. And the cat and jack is wear and tear. So even if it's like, I think is it a year or whatever, whatnot? Yeah, I think it's a year that you can still bring the clothes back, or it might be, I can't remember if it's a year or if it's more than a year. Don't quote me on that, y'all. But yeah, you can bring the clothes back as long as you have your receipt, but just make sure that you use your Target Circle app because that stores all of your receipts. All right, so next we have shoes. So shoes, we have been really digging into this because Aiden just takes his feet and goes, he slides it all the time. So just constantly buying shoes. So we're going to do $25 for his shoes. So 10, 20, and then we're going to do $1 bill. I like going to Rack Room because Rack Room always have like buy one get one half off, so I do get a good amount of deals from there. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, so we have $30 for that. All right, so that is $30 for shoes. All right, so next we have school. I was going to do a registration envelope, but next year he won't be going to daycare, so we don't have to do registration. So I was kind of holding off on that, so I might just keep it all together for school. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that registration threw me off this time with $75. So school, we are actually going to add $15. So we're going to do 2 5s and we're going to add 5 1s. 1 2 3 4 5. So let's go ahead and add and see what we have. Y'all, this is going to be super quick. Yeah, because we just got straight to it, right? Straight to it. But that's good because that way we can pretty much see exactly what we got going on. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And I also do this for like school pictures, for like fundraisers and everything like that. Just anything that has to deal with school. Don't do it for daycare. I will be dipping in this every single week. So this is just for like the extra stuff that they have going on. And like they had, they're going to do like a field trip. So that way, we pulled this money out of here also. All right, so next we have bath and hair. Aiden has curly hair, so we do have to get him products, and I do like to get the Johnson & Johnson body wash for him. Y'all's bestie is downstairs yelling, so you probably hear him a little bit in the background because he is, I don't know, I guess he's like telling his story or whatnot, but yeah. All right, so bath and hair, like I was saying, we get the Johnson & Johnson, and it's a little bit expensive, but it does so well, and it just smells so good, so it is so worth the money for it. And sometimes you can find deals like buy one get one free or buy one get one half off, or you can find coupons for it. All right, so bath and hair, we have $10 that we're adding. So we got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, so we have $39 in there. And y'all, we are pretty much done with Aiden's binder. And let me know in the comments if you have a binder set up for your children, or if that is something that you think that you might want to try out. And like I said, if you already done it, just let me know how that works for you, because I would seriously like to know. And then also, guys, the purple A7 wallets are going out in the mail, so you will get confirmation numbers for that and tracking. So I've been working hard on getting those out, and I'm also doing like quality control on them too, because I want to make sure they're legit before I send them to you. So that is all that is going out. The 52-week savings challenge, they sold out in probably like an hour. And I've been getting a lot of questions. Am I getting them back? And you guys love them, so I probably will get them back. But the 1K challenge binders will be released before those. And then we will go and do the 52 weeks. So got a lot of stuff going on there. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. If you have not already followed me on my Instagram, and that's where I posted that the 52 weeks were going live, so make sure you follow me there, and my TikTok, guys, follow me there. And then also on my website, you can sign up for newsletters, emails. I don't spam you, but I don't send a lot out, but yeah, so I send out things for that, and also like coupon codes and freebies and stuff like that. So make sure to comment, subscribe, like, share, guys, please, please, please. And then also, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.